Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Integral Crypto Dual FIPS 140-2 Encrypted USB 3.0. This USB key promises top-tier security for your digital data, so let's see how well it delivers on that front. First off, let's talk about the build and design of this USB key. It's compact and features a robust, rubberized exterior that not only protects it from physical damage but also makes it waterproof. This durability is complemented by its triple-layer waterproofing, ensuring your data stays safe even in challenging conditions. Setting up the Integral Crypto Dual is straightforward. Upon initial use, you're guided through a simple setup process to create both user and admin passwords. This dual password feature is particularly useful for businesses needing to manage access securely. Security-wise, this USB key is no slouch. It employs FIPS 140-2 Level 3 certified AES 256-bit hardware encryption, which is the kind of security standard trusted by industries like legal, finance, and healthcare. It also includes safeguards against brute force attacks, automatically erasing data after a set number of failed password attempts. Moving on to performance, the Integral Crypto Dual impresses with its USB 3.2 Gen 1 speeds. In our tests, it delivered solid read and write speeds, ensuring quick and reliable data transfers. Whether you're moving sensitive documents or large media files, this USB key handles it well. Now, let's discuss the user experience. While the security features are robust, the user interface might feel a bit dated to some. It's functional but lacks the modern aesthetics of more consumer-oriented products. That said, once you're familiar with it, navigating the interface becomes straightforward. In terms of value, the Integral Crypto Dual sits at a higher price point compared to standard USB drives. However, if you prioritize data security and need a device that can withstand physical wear and tear, the investment is justified. Wrapping up, the Integral Crypto Dual FIPS 140-2 Encrypted USB 3.0 is an excellent choice for anyone needing robust data security on the go. Whether you're an individual with sensitive personal data or a business handling confidential information, this USB key offers peace of mind with its strong encryption and durable build. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.